so you guys already know me. I'm Logan. We're here at Caravan Outfitter, and this is...
I'm Scotty. I'm one of the engineers here, and I'm going to be helping run the CNC machine.
The CNC machine. So that's what we just, jimmied in here. Our super fun way. So what is your role as an engineer here at Caravan Outfitter?
So I'm here to help design and implement prototypes and as well manufacturing processes for our vans that we're building.
Yeah, for all the models. And what are we going to be using this big old CNC machine for?
So this machine right here is going to allow us to create prototypes a lot easier, as well as bring a few manufacturing processes in-house for our current vans.
Awesome. Well, let's take a little look around and you can tell me about what some of the little bits and pieces do on this machine. I'm excited to see it actually get used though. It's going to be a
Yep.
deal.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so Scotty, what does a CNC router do?
So a CNC router is a way to speed up the process and make it more accurate of cutting out things out of sheet goods. So instead of manually drawing out and then manually cutting out curves and whatever shapes you need, you can program it into the software and then press play and this thing will cut it for us.
What is this thing right here that we're looking at?
So this is our vacuum pump for our work surface holding.
Okay.
So it will take your material and you place it on the grooved cutting board, and then it will vacuum and hold your part down, allowing you to cut the sheet goods without it moving on you.
And then this piece here looks like it moves back and forth over the cutting surface. What does this do?
So this is the gantry and this is the router. So this is the spinny bit and this is the thing that moves back and forth.
Cool. And I see some wood that just got delivered here too. So you excited to use this thing?
You know it.
Yeah. We're gonna have a sprinter done by the end of the day, I think I just heard Kurt say.
Yeah.
Pretty much. Okay.